Okay, so today we will learn how to make an easy intro for YouTube. First, let us see few examples. This first example is a vlog intro. The second is cooking channel intro. Notice the slow fast video effect called speed ramping. The last is a motovlog intro video. Now to make such easy but elegant intro for your YouTube videos using your mobile phone, you need to download two applications from the Google Play Store. First, the main video editing application, Kinemaster, and second, speed ramping for Kinemaster app to add speed ramping or the slow fast motion effect to your video footage. So let's start. How to make easy intro for YouTube videos or how to make an easy intro for YouTube. Step 1. Creating a speed ramp video with speed ramp application. Open speed ramp application. This is the interface. Tap on the plus sign to import your video footage. I have used some copyright-free videos from Pexels. Tap next. See, you can trim the video here if you want. Next, tap on speed. So, this is the speed curve for your video. Currently it is at 1x speed. You can customize it as per your requirement. Can you see these points on the curve? You need to drag these points upwards to increase the speed or downwards to decrease the speed. The maximum is 8x speed and the lowest is 1/8x speed. You can play the video from here to check the output. You can tap the plus sign anytime to add a point or the minus sign to delete a point. See, there are many speed curves already available. You can choose and customize any one like this. Now tap to play and view changes. So this is done. I will now export the movie. Tap here top right to export movie. Choose the quality as low, medium or high. I choose high quality. You can directly open this exported video in Kinemaster application or save it on your own phone. I save it in my own phone. Tap here. Now proceeding to step 2. Step 2. Adding text and other effects. Let us open the Kinemaster application. Select Create New. Select 16:9 aspect ratio for your YouTube videos. Tap Next. Now I will go to Speed Ramp folder and select the video that I had just exported. Let's play it from here. Now we will add some effects and text. Tap here to go to Kinemaster Asset Store. Select stickers from the left and select frame. So here I go downwards and select viewfinders. Install it. I already have this installed, so this button is disabled for me. Now go to layers, stickers, viewfinder. I select the first one. Drag at the corner to make it bigger. Now, on the timeline, I drag it to the end of the video. Now let me add some text. The text will appear after some time, say from here. So I bring the playhead here, go to layers, text, and I will write the video title. You can also write your channel name. Exploring the Northeast. Tap OK. Now I will change the font. I select Display and select this third one. I have downloaded this font from the Asset Store. Now drag at the corner to make it bigger. You can select this text and add various text effects. Now I will go to Outline. Let me enable Outline and I make it white color. Decrease the weight. Now I can add a background layer to this so that the text is visible more clearly. Bring the playhead to where the text starts. Tap Layer, Image Assets. Select this black color. Select the image and on split screen option, I select full screen. Then go to Blending, Overlay, decrease the opacity, say to 60%. Now I add a fade in effect. Now here also add the fade in effect. Now let me bring the text to the front. So select the text, tap on 3 dots top left and select Bring to Front. Let's see how it looks now. Let me add the channel name at the bottom. I bring the playhead here after the title appears. Then I add the name of my vlogging channel. Then again, I can customize the text as I want. Let me tap play. I think this is complete. Finally, we will add video fade in and fade out effect. So for that, tap Setting, select Video, enable fade in, select 0.5 seconds. Enable fade out and select 0.5 seconds. Let us now watch it. So I hope you have learned how to make an easy intro for YouTube. Now if you want to know how to create a travel vlog intro, tap the video on left. Or if you want to create a gaming glitch intro, tap video on right. So see you there in that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.